Hello, I'm Jo, and in this video I'll share some top tips to help you install your year-end update. There's a few things you can do before you install to help things run smoothly. First, check where your current program's installed so you can make sure the update installs in the right place. Just click Help and About and make a note of the program directory. You can optimize your data to keep it error-free and avoid problems when it's upgraded. Before you log in, simply select your company and click Optimise. It's better to be safe than sorry, so make sure you take regular backups of your payroll data. That way you've got a copy of your payroll should you ever need it. When the update's ready, look for a prompt and download it, then follow the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, you can download it from our website. You can install the update before finishing the current tax year, so it's best to install as soon as possible. Check with your IT team that you have full administrator access to your computer before installing the update. This helps to ensure a seamless install. But that's it for now. Check back soon for the next top tips video. For further information and help, visit sage.co.uk/help or click the Help Centre button in your software. Or join us for a free live webinar at sage.co.uk/webinars. Thanks for watching.